Hey everyone, I'm Seth Licke, Director of Assembly Operations and Service with Morrison, and today we're going to walk you through our standard Denester. As we dive into our Morrison standard Denester, there's a few things on our base frame here that we want to start just above the Denesting zone. What you will see is that we have our electropolished chutes that are adjustable via this hand knob. We have a 1/2 horsepower gear motor, and then we have a machine status indicating light on top as well. The biggest key point of the top portion of this video is the photo eye that is on the back here that controls product flow. All right guys, a little bit more about the photo eye. It is a retro-reflective photo eye, which means that it has a reflector straight across that bounces the beam back to the photo eye. So if there's something impeding its path, it'll have a change in state. So the way that this works right now is that there's nothing blocking the path of that laser. So the machine is sitting idle waiting for more product. And as soon as we add more cups, we will then block that laser beam, which will turn the machine to active. Let's see this in action. All right guys, the first step in the changeover process is we take our square drive coupling and then we remove it off of the square driver that's in the change part assembly. Then we will move over to these red Destaco clamps that are holding the assembly in place, and then we can slide that assembly out. So now this tray can get lifted out for changeover, but it is also easier to maintenance. Now that we're changed over and we have cups loaded and dropping, you'll notice that below the denesting surface, we do have a conveyor. Morrison, we believe in providing turnkey systems, so we want to make sure you get a complete package. And this package can get powered off of 120, 240, and or 480. The flexibility of our denesting units offer single and dual lane options. When questioned with speeds, we generally like to consult that application based on your container and conveyor layout and motor and gearbox combinations. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you have further inquiries, feel free to reach out to us at our home phone number and or at our website, and we appreciate you stopping by.